secure papers, and every so often somebody comes around and shreds them for you. Right? Well, the challenge for them was they have thousands and thousands of these in a city, and they never know what's in the things, right? And so they've got their drivers going out on a fixed route, and more than half of the time they're looking into an empty bin. They could have skipped over that bin if they had known what was in it. So what we put together was a solution. It's 3G enabled. Once again, printed on our 3D printer, sorry. And then it uses ultrasonics actually to beam down and check the level. For this demonstration, we've made a little device here so we can raise and lower the paper inside. But what you're going to see is over here, we've got the actual data coming out of the 3G radio that's inside of this device. It's being processed through a product that we've developed. It's been just recently announced as Flow, and then ultimately going into our next product. And then we're developing a back-end dashboard just as a proof of concept to show information about this particular device. So if you pull on this, it'll actually raise that simulated paper level inside. And this is now broadcasting actually down the street to our data center across the country and then up into a virtual machine. And it's actually processing the fact that now the paper level is gone to a point where it needs to be. So if I'm the people that pick up the trash for a living, I now know exactly what's in this bin, and I can include it in the next day's pickup. So I'm able to now come up with an optimized route sheet.
Most of these 3G, most of these solutions.
So we'll either use 3G or 4G, depending upon what the technology needs are.
Okay.
But a lot of what we use are 3G. So the other thing we did, we added a few more features like being able to detect if